Hiccups might be a 350-million-year-old leftover from when our ancestors had gills. One fascinating theory suggests the hiccup reflex traces back to early amphibians that breathed with both lungs and gills. To use their gills, they'd snap their airway shut while pushing water through. A motion eerily similar to a hiccup. A sharp intake, then the throat slams closed. Tadpoles still do exactly this today. The brain circuitry for that ancient move may still exist in us, and sometimes it misfires, usually when your stomach is irritated or stretched. So that annoying hiccup? Possibly your inner fish briefly taking over.